way. They're saying that this phone's gonna be like a precious jewel.
Ooh, I love that.
The headphone jack is going to be on the bottom.
I heard the connector is all digital.
What?
What does that even mean?
Who knows? I'm psyched.
All I'm saying is that they should have a priority line for people who've waited 5 times.
I heard you have to have an adapter to use the dock on the new one.
Yeah, but they make the coolest adapters.
Welcome back.
Guess that Galaxy S3 didn't work out.
No, I love the GS3. It's extremely awesome. I'm just saving a spot in line for someone.
That's not cool.
Yeah, man.
This year, we're finally getting everything that we didn't get last year.
Yeah.
The big screen.
True 4G.
Yep.
What is that?
Hey, what'd you just do?
Oh, I just sent him a playlist.
By touching phones?
Yep. Simple as that.
It's the Galaxy S3.
Hey!
Hey, Mom, Dad.
Oh, thanks for holding our spot.
Hey, man.
Oh, hey.
How's it going?
Saved you a spot.
I moved on.
But you're not gonna miss all this?
I got the Samsung GS3 now. Is that a Samsung?
That's a new Samsung. It is. It's pretty cool.
But I kind of like it.
This one's 4G.
Yeah, we've had that for a while.
This one's got a big screen.
This one has a bigger one. And we can share videos instantly. You can watch a video while you're sending an email.
Well, we're gonna get that for sure. Maybe not this time, but the next time, right?
The next big thing is
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a leader of Samsung research team. Based on Samsung situations, we come up with some strategy that may help Samsung fix their problem and continue to develop their reputation and products in the future. Firstly, to help you not to be confused when I'm talking, I will summarize my presentation by this table of content. This photo shows that the demand competitor of Samsung is Apple. Apple is also the indirect reason that makes Samsung have such a big problem right now by the legal issue with Apple, which is destroy Samsung reputation a lot. People tend to think Samsung is the trick who's stealing technology from Apple. That is somehow right but not untrue. Under the research and many analysis of the current external environments as well as the internal elements of Samsung electronics, we have conclusions that the undesired performance of Samsung electronics are the result of Samsung poor management and ineffective strategy. The fact that the sale of the 4th generation smartphone that Samsung just launched to the market told us that's the problem needs to be solved immediately to avoid any problem and issue can happen in the future. Those strategies we recommend I will present in the end of the presentations. Now I will go through the background and the research that we have done to find out the problem and create a solution of this. There are some logos that Samsung changed through various time from 1937 to 1993. This logo Samsung used from the past 21 years. Samsung was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938, and in 1969 Samsung Electronics established as maker of television with technology borrowed from Sanyo. And at the beginning, Samsung doesn't have many success, but now Samsung is one of the biggest brand names in the electronics around the world, especially in smartphone market. Because of their reputation, a lot of people want to apply and work for Samsung. So now, just from 2013 to 2014, the amount of Samsung employees rise from 270,000 to nearly 300,000. Samsung mission is focused on 3 factors. First is the eco, second is electronic, and the company is last. Do on our best to be the best one. Our vision in 2020 is develop innovative technology and innovation process that create new markets. Enrich Helmut live and continue to make Samsung trust market leader by using the method. The main objective of Samsung reaching 400 billion in revenue and becoming one of the world's top 5 brands in 2020. To achieve Samsung objective, these are Samsung strategies that Samsung already have. Samsung has many kinds of products such as phone, TV, car, and this is some of them. This is not all of what they sell. Through the analysis and some kind of metric such as competitive profile metric, space and brand metric, and other that I will show you in the next few slides. We rely our strength, brand name, design, and variety product. Our weakness are not much our technologies and problem in management. According to the result of our research, there are two main strategies that Samsung needs to concentrate to overcome their weakness. First is develop business to new potential market, include Asia, South America, and Europe. And the second is develop new and unique competitive technologies. These regions contain many new potential customer groups and may support and increase the sale of this product line of Samsung Electronics, and also don't be under strong influence of Samsung competitor, and also have many potential organizations, and from that have a foundation of finish new technologies that Samsung can acquire and apply to their new or existing product line. Samsung needs to sort out their variety reason they want to expand their business. Offer and the best method is using geographic factor. The Asia market have two best environment for Samsung and have many countries that have the best technology advantage and development. The strategy that concentrate on product and service development will create the foundations for Samsung research and development department to have her research and expertise to help our technologies. However, to completely have to more effective result from a strategy, Samsung needs to quietly use all the potential resources and protect their technology as on cost. To implement the product and service development strategy, this will be easier and simpler to implement if Samsung acquire new technology that already been developed from small but potential company will allow Samsung help in install asset with new technology. And the next part is annual objective and policy for the company. The development of market also increase the variety and diversity of customers that will also create more opportunity and maximize the acceptance of customers with Samsung products. In summary, there will be 3 main annual objectives that Samsung needs to complete, include enter and penetrate new market, building brand image and reputation in new market, seek and cooperate with potential organizations. Samsung needs to be modified to change the behavior as well as support the company strategy with guidelines for employees and employers of Samsung Electronics. This policy can be summarized into main objectives. First, identify and orientate task, missions, strategy, and goals of all departments to support and contribute to the pension. of Samsung market. Second is identify and orientated task, mission, strategy, and goal of department to support and contribute to research, develop and policy new technology for development of new product lines. Next one is procedure for strategy review and evaluations to ensure to have the design result in the end. It's recommended to apply and follow the 3-step evaluations to analyze and check if the strategy and plan are going the design way. The 3-step evaluation include: first step is analyze, observe, collect, and analyze on the necessary factors from internal to external to identify potential threats and problems may occur of the plan or strategy. Next step is modifications. Adjust and modify the plan or strategy to eliminate or minimize the effect of the threats and problem may occur. And the next and the last step is implementations. Begin to apply and implement the plans or strategy after modified under supervision to ensure the result. Repeat the whole product if necessary. And the last part is conclusions. The recommended strategy for Samsung are based on the current external and internal factor of Samsung and the industry at the moment. If assume all of the factors are unchanged, it is possible to ensure the positive outcome of Samsung Electronics. If they can adopt and follow the recommendations, the first outcome will be the large market expansion of Samsung in 3 important regions: Asia, South America, and Europe. The second outcome that Samsung can have the development and of the differentiation of their product lines. And thank you for watching.
The Samsung Galaxy S4 was about to revolutionize the handset market. A phone so highly spec'd that it would reinvent how we communicate. It was the next big thing in smartphone technology. The only problem was, coming from us, that kinda sounded like bullshit. We decided the best way to launch the Galaxy S4 was to get our fans to launch it for us. So we saved them from lining up outside a store and got them to line up online. Fans joined the smartphone line through Facebook and Twitter. Every day for the 2 weeks leading up to the launch, we gave them features of the S4 to promote through their social media network. The more their friends liked, reposted, retweeted, commented, and shared these features, the further up the line they moved. To get the first S4 in the country, all they had to do was get to the front of the line. The smartphone line was broadcast live to a massive electronic billboard, turning the virtual queue into a real-world line. The avatars moved and reacted like a normal line would. At night, they would go under blankets and into sleeping bags, and when it rained, they put up umbrellas.
What happens is I tell all my friends and family about how great the new Samsung phone is, and every time I do, a little speech bubble pops out, and people coming down here at ATS Square can actually see what I'm talking about. The more I share it, the closer I go up to the front of the line.
As a result, 12,000 people queued for 2 weeks. They spread 85,000 stories to over 3 million people, which had an organic reach of over 15 million people. Since the Galaxy S4 launched, market share of the premium smartphone market has grown by 12%. Instead of leaving our biggest fans waiting outside a store for days, we turned them into our media channel and proved that the Galaxy S4 really is the next big thing.